Hello friends, good morning all of you. Here I am Gadekar Sachin Pandit. Today we are going to learn valence bond theory VBT, Hitler London theory. Also discuss a Pauline Slater theory with the help of discuss a valence bond theory. So last lecture we are discuss a polarizing power and polarizability with the help of Paget's rule. Okay, Paget's rule says that electrovalency and covalency. Okay, so it is difficult to state that transition between electrovalency and covalency, so that we help a Paget's rule. Okay, what is the electrovalency? Transfer of one or more electron from one atom to another atom. And what is the covalency? It is shares electron with other atoms is called covalency. And what is the polarizing power? It is a cation attracts cloud towards itself. And polarizability, electron cloud distortion. Okay, so these terms we are also discussed in last session. So there are four factors affected in covalency as well as ionic valency. Okay, electrovalency. First is the charge, second is the cations, cations as well as anion, and fourth is the cations with non-inert gas configuration. Suppose large charge, either anion or cation, large charge, so favors covalency. Small cation favors covalency, large anion favors covalency. Okay, so these point we discuss a Paget's with the help of Paget's. Then also discuss a ionic character of covalent bond. Okay, so covalent, it is a sharing of electron, and ionic, complete transfer of electron. Okay, so its polarity is depends on the dipole moment, and dipole moment we calculate by using micron is equal to E into D. Okay, so E is the electric charge and D is the distance of positive and negative ion. Okay, so dipole moment we calculate electric charge E into D, distance. So greater the value of dipole moment of a molecule, greater is the polarability. Okay, so these points we are discussed in last lecture. So today we are discuss a valence bond theory. Okay, so then discuss a valence bond approach, then Hitler and London theory, then Pauly-Slater theory for valence bond theory. Okay, so first conceptual treatment to the nature of bonding in covalent molecule was given by Slater or Hitler London theory. First propose. Okay, so first valence bond theory. So nature of bonding in covalent molecule first explained by Hitler in 1927. Okay, so in this theory we are discuss a why H2 molecule is more stable than hydrogen atom. Okay, so isolated hydrogen atoms is less stable than hydrogen molecule. Why? Because this theory explained with the help of valence bond theory. Okay, so the successful calculate the energy change involved in the interaction of hydrogen atoms while forming the CH2 molecule. Okay. So this stability of hydrogen molecule or hydrogen atoms is explained for energy change. Okay. So successful calculate the energy change involved in the interaction of hydrogen atoms while forming the hydrogen molecules. These explain valence bond theory. Okay. So theory was expressed by Pauly and Slater. This theory, valence bond theory, was extended by Pauly and Slater. Theory explains about the direction of properties of the covalent bond. Okay. So in this theory, Hitler and London theory, some assumptions are there. Okay. First assumption, only valence atomic orbital which contain unpaired of electron can take part in bonding. Only unpaired of electron can take part in the bonding. Okay. Second assumption, valence atomic orbital which contain unpaired electron with opposite spin overlap with each other. Okay. So valence atomic orbital which contain unpaired of electron with opposite spin overlaps with each other. Here concept A, overlapping. Then third assumption, pairing of electron takes place which forms a covalent bond. Pairing of electron, opposite pair. Okay. So one electron pair with other electron to forms a covalent bond. Fourth, spin of electron get neutralized. Spin of electron get neutralized after the formation of covalent bond. These electron neutralized by formation of covalent bond. And fifth assumption is the net result between the two atoms is attraction. The total energy system get decrease and bonding takes place. And the net result between the two atoms is repulsion, then total energy of system get increase and bonding not takes place. Okay. Suppose two atoms interacts with each other and then decrease the energy to form say bond. If increase the energy, interaction between two atoms, then increase the energy, then repulsion occurs and total energy of system get increased and bonding not takes place. Suppose inert gas element, helium, two helium atoms interacts with each other to increase the repulsion and energy. So that's why they not bonding and get not bonding takes place. Okay. Suppose two hydrogen molecule interacts with each other to decrease the energy. Pauly and Slater theory. This theory explained after Hitler and London theory. Okay. Pauly and Slater theory is extended theory after Hitler and London theory. Okay. So this theory explain account for the directional property of covalent bond. Okay. So also discuss a geometry of molecules. Okay. So Pauly and Slater theory explain covalency. Okay. So some assumption here, only valence shell electron which having nearly same energy can take part in bonding. Same energy. Second, An covalent bond is formed between two atoms by overlap of one atomic orbital, one atom, with another atomic orbital of another atom. Okay, so bond is formed between two atoms by overlap atomic orbitals one another. Second, overlapping of atomic orbital is only possible if atomic orbital has one unpaired of electron each. Okay, so unpaired electron is necessary. So fourth is the overlapping atomic orbital must same symmetry with respect to molecular axis. Okay, we have to need a overlapping as a same symmetry orbital. Okay, equal symmetry. Okay, different symmetry cannot be overlap. Okay, so that's why overlapping atomic orbital must same symmetry with respect to molecular axis. And fifth assumption is complete overlapping of atomic orbital is not possible due to repulsion between two nuclei which has same charge. Okay, suppose chlorine molecule. Okay, so chlorine, two chlorine atoms are present. In this, one atom present a nucleus, and these nucleus contain positively charged proton. Another atom of chlorine present nucleus and present a proton positive. So positive positive repulsion. That's why complete overlapping of atomic orbital is not possible. Okay, so this complete overlapping of atomic orbital is not possible due to repulsion between two nuclei which has same charge. And another assumption is the greater the overlapping, stronger is the bond, and vice versa. And seventh assumption is after the bond formation, the electron density will increase in the region between the two nuclei. After bond formation, electron density increase in the region between the two nuclei. Suppose chlorine atom formation of chlorine gas Cl2, sharing of electron. So the electron density increase region between the two nuclei. Eighth assumption, number of bonds equal to the number of unpaired electron present in the atom. Suppose one unpaired electron present in a atom to form say only one bond, three present electron of each atoms to form say three bond, etc. Number of bonds equal to the number of unpaired electron present in atom. Similarly, atomic orbitals have particular direction in nature. Atomic orbitals have particular direction in nature, hence the bond formed is also directional. Okay, so these assumptions explained by Pauli's and Slater theory. Okay, so next lecture we discuss a covalent bond. Covalent bond, formation of covalent bond is the overlap of atomic orbitals. Okay, so that's why we require formation of covalent bonds to overlapping orbitals. These concepts explained by concept of hybridization. Okay, so these concept of hybridization we discuss in next lecture. Need of hybridization. Why we have to need a hybridization? So these concept we discuss in next lecture. Also discuss characteristics of hybridization. Okay, so there are different types of hybridization, sp, sp2, sp3, etc. So these discuss in next lecture. So today we are stop here. If any queries, any question, then comment me. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.